All right, what's up, folks? It's Boss Mick and I here. And this video is going to be a little bit different. Well, not really. It's going to be about the same as always, but this video is going to be slightly different where it's going to be like a bit of me talking and a bit of like the cinematic stuff I've been doing. But essentially what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking some CMOS, right? Make some CMOS gel, mix it in with some aloe vera, put it in my beard or my hair, let it sit for a bit and try and add some moisture and hydration back to this mane of mine. I've been slacking like I usually do, and it makes for a good video for you all. So stand by, stick tuned. Let's watch this cinematic little sequence I got going on here. I'm really proud of it. I'm not just saying. I think it's pretty awesome. Get giggity, baby. And yeah. Okay, so now you saw that whole little sequence there. I got the whole, gel. So it looks like gunk and goo. So I'm gonna go switch over to the bathroom, take the GoPro so y'all can see that, and I'm gonna put it in the beard, and put it in the hair. I'm gonna put my beard guard on. Put the beard guard on and lock in that moisture. And I'm also gonna put the shower cap on the top, lock that in, and then we'll get back in like an hour or so. We'll see how I feel. Good to you? Good to me. All right, GoPro time. Okay, so just put in the CMOS along with the aloe vera. You saw that there in the bathroom and whatnot. So this is what it looks like now. You can see there's like a nice, already got definition of the curls up top, which is pretty dope. Didn't expect such immediate results, but what I'm gonna do, as always, I'm gonna lock it in. So I'm gonna start out with shower cap. Boom. And then of course, Netter Gold limited edition beer guard, gang gang. Put that in there. The mustache isn't gonna get much love because I still need to talk and whatnot, but do that. Now, real quick, the reason why I went with CMOS is because CMOS contains 92 minerals, right? The human body is made of 102 minerals and CMOS contains 92 of them. So my theory would be that if I put in CMOS into my hair, along with some aloe vera, even a nice little slip, it should really, hydrate and boost my hair's natural beauty and shine. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna pause this video here and get back to you in a couple hours. Okay, all right, so I got a little change of, fixture here. I got the baby here, the microphone here, and then the wife behind the camera. Wave in front of, wave your hand. There you go, yeah, that's Chris. Okay, Chris, move your hand. Chris, you're messing up the focus. Okay, all right, so big reveal. Dun. All right, Chris, how's it look? You can get close if you need to or whatever. Is it in focus at all?
No, not even close. I don't have to do that.
Yeah.
Maybe if I just get closer. Oh, that's so much worse.
Okay, okay, just stop. All right. Okay, 1 second, everybody. Technical difficulties. We're gonna turn it off. There you go. All right, come here. Bring it back close to where it was. Lift it up higher so it's not off. Yeah, there we go. Okay, hit record. Okay, we're back. So there you go. Curls are popping.
You gotta focus again.
Just turn the ring. The other one, yeah, there you go. You want to focus now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Cut this off. We're done. Cut it.
Oh, he's taking it off the hanger. He's trying.
Okay. So, all right. Got it here. Remove the mask with some help from the wife. And my hair is feeling extremely moisturized right now. Like I said, it has the CMOS in it, the gel with the aloe vera, and it feels amazing. Now, I wish I just had a comb. Oh, hello, wife. Yeah, so it feels pretty dope. I definitely like it. I would have preferred to do it overnight, but honestly, I wouldn't have finished this video if I did it overnight. So, that's where we're at with this. And it's really causing a lot of slip, a nice amount of slippage when it comes to... Huh? What's up, baby? Oh, okay. Nice amount of slippage, so it'll be super easy to detangle as well. The beard feels dope. Nice and jelly. Now I just gotta wash all this stuff out, but it feels fantastic. It doesn't have any hold to it, so it won't be like a styling gel. But the amount of vitamins and the minerals and just the nutrients my hair is getting right now, it's pretty on point. So I'm pretty excited about this. Yeah, so if you haven't tried it, give it a shot. And yeah, if you all want me to make and sell this, let me know, because I have some ideas for it. It's just, you know, don't want y'all trying it without buying it. I don't know, whatever. Hey, Mickey, can you come here, please? Can you stand him here? Thank you so much. Okay. I want you to say...
Ooh, my name is Mickey and I wear a diaper. Ooh, I get them dirty and they keep buying them for me. Ooh, I like the diaper with the owls. I like the diaper with the owls. Net of gold, yeah.
Hey, let them know they need to subscribe.
Subscribe or I'll cry.
He said he's done.
Oh, you done? All right.
Yeah.
All right, folks. Thanks for watching the Net of Gold show by Boss Mick. All right. You two are weird. I love it. Mainly you are weird, and then he's just weird by association. My hair.
I see.
You feel it?
Wow, nice.
Yeah, super moisturized.
Yeah, I feel like I can't use that. I feel like it's gonna ravel.
Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. Take it out. Just gonna wash it. I'll do it. Take a shower. Oh, can you actually? Bye.